All right, hey Dad. Here we are back at Black Bear. Came in last night and it was raining, so everything is wet. Beautiful day though. It's cloudy, but it's not currently raining, so still nice weather. There's the tent, the car. There's the monkey having some some kombucha.
Woo. Thank you, Mama.
There's the mommy. Everybody says hi to Popo. There's our mess.
Hi, Popo.
There's our one-eyed pirate that we're babysitting. There's the rest of the mess.
Little area, like in the middle where the part on the where in the middle where they hang out.
Yeah. And then some fishing poles over there that we're going to use at a pond here in an hour or two. We'll see.
She'll go put the couple of screws.
This was when this is what we were.
This
buried.
is what they.
We're digging.
They've got a
Metal detector.
metal detector. They found all this weird
Screws.
fasteners and screws and nails and all kinds of.
In the ground.
So
Really deep.
clean it up and
Long.
see what's going on. Breakfast on the fire.
Yep.
It's a nice day. Anyway, back again when we hit to the pond.
Can't kill your face, dude.
No.